Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Looker Studio dashboard for e-commerce KPIs, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Google account. Navigate to Looker Studio at datastudio.google.com. Click on the blank report button to create a new dashboard. When prompted, select the data source to connect with your e-commerce data. Choose Google Analytics, Google Sheets, or any other relevant connector. Authorize Looker Studio to access your data if this is your first connection. Once connected, click on the Add to Report button. You'll now see a blank canvas ready for your dashboard design. Next, start by adding your data source by clicking on Add a Chart in the menu. Select the type of chart that fits the key performance indicators you wish to display. Consider line charts for tracking sales trends over time. Use bar charts to compare product performance or sales by category. Drag and drop your chosen chart onto the canvas. In the right sidebar, select the dimensions and metrics that are relevant. For sales, you may select total revenue as your metric. For dimensions, consider date or product category. Adjust the date range in the sidebar to focus on the timeframe of interest. Next, customize your chart for better visual appeal. Change colors by selecting the Style tab in the right sidebar. Add labels and tooltips for more insights when hovering over data points. Continue adding multiple charts for other KPIs like conversion rates, traffic sources, and returning customer rates. Group similar charts together for clarity. Once you're satisfied with your layout, check the responsiveness of your dashboard. Resize and rearrange elements as needed for visual balance and clarity. Now, incorporate filters to allow users to customize their view. Add a filter control by clicking Add a Control and selecting Filter Control. Configure it to After finalizing the layout and filtering options, consider adding explanatory text. Click on Add a text box to provide context on what each KPI represents. Make sure the dashboard is intuitive for users who may not be familiar with the metrics. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.